Riga, located in the Baltic country of Latvia, is a vibrant historical city that offers a unique blend of rich culture, stunning architecture, and picturesque scenery. As the capital and largest city of Latvia, Riga holds a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike. Riga boasts a fascinating history, which is reflected in its well-preserved medieval old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city's architecture is an impressive mix of Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque and Art Nouveau styles, making it an architecture lover's paradise. Riga has also become a popular tourist destination due to its variety of attractions. From seeing the impressive Riga Castle to marveling at the famous Freedom Monument, there are plenty of attractions that showcase the city's historical significance. In addition, Riga boasts many museums, such as the Latvian National Art Museum and the Museum of Occupation, which offer valuable information about Latvia's past. Riga's tourism industry has grown steadily in recent years due to its affordability. With numerous international flights, travelers from all over the world can easily reach this pearl of the Baltics. The city is located on the banks of the river Daugava and offers picturesque waterfronts where visitors can take a leisurely stroll or enjoy boat cruises. Riga also boasts several parks and green areas where locals and tourists can relax in the lap of nature. Whether you are interested in history and culture or just looking for a place to enjoy a pleasant vacation, Riga has something to offer every traveler. Its unique charm combined with warm hospitality makes it an ideal place to visit and explore Latvia.